Hi, my name is Chris, and welcome back to Creative Redneckin'. Today I want to talk about starting your peppers indoors in the cold weather. It's February 3rd here in Northeast PA, so most people are not thinking about their gardens yet. I don't know, maybe you are, maybe you're not. But right now, if you're in a cold climate like me, is a great time to start. You're going to have a shorter growing season than they will down south because the days will get shorter, it'll get colder sooner, and you may not get your peppers to ripen. So pepper seeds need three things to germinate: moisture, air, and heat. They don't really need light. They will need light once they do germinate and break the soil. What we're going to do today, I'm going to start these seeds with a little something extra. So we're going to take 2 cups of water,
Supercharge,
and 4 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide. And we're going to add the 4 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide to the water and make a little bit of a solution. That solution is going to up the oxygen level of the water, and we're going to soak our seeds in that for about an hour and give them a little head start. Ice trays are wonderful little things because if you have a variety of plants and you want to soak the seeds, you can keep them separated, still soak them all at the same time. Just make sure you mark which ones you're using. I started my pepper plants about 10 days ago. I planted them after soaking them for about an hour in this solution. Here's where I'm at. Normally, without that solution, just planting them with water, 2 to 3 weeks, easy before I start seeing seeds to germinate. The other thing I use, I was talking about heat mat. Perfect. Peppers love it around 80 degrees Fahrenheit when they want to germinate. So adding a little heat mat, they're fairly cheap. You can find them at your local home improvement stores. And we'll get our seeds started quicker. When you plant your seeds, basically you just want to cover them with the soil. Not a lot. They need to be able to push out through there. After that, you're good to go. Let them grow. They will have to be transplanted probably into bigger containers. I like to use solo cups. By the time the weather is ready to cooperate, they're ready to go, nice sized plants, and all you have to do is get them out to the garden after that. So I hope you found this helpful. If you liked it, please subscribe, hit like, tell a friend. Till next time, we'll catch you later.